YouTube, I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. I know I haven't been doing any tech unboxing lately. Man, honestly, I've messed up a lot. I got a new monitor for once, but I don't know why I didn't come on here and unbox it. I mean, it should have been unboxed, but I was like, man, it's too big, man. It's a 31.5-inch monitor from Asus. So I got that next to a 27-inch monitor. I don't recommend it at all. It's stupid. Don't even do it. I am going to be making a video to show you guys my college room setup because I do game in my college hotel dorm room for, this year or whatever. Definitely plan on moving back home real soon and actually setting up a real setup. But yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Today we're going to be unboxing the camera that I've been wanting ever since I started YouTube. Well, getting serious with YouTube. It's the Canon M50. So here we go. You already know how we're going to get it. We don't need our knife today, even though we still do have that fancy knife. We're just going to go ahead and pop this bad boy open and see what's inside of here. But first, let's go ahead and read some fundamentals about this. Actually, I lied. Never mind. I was going to read something, but nah, never mind. Let's just go ahead and pop it open. So, here this bad boy go right here. Let's flap that open. So, it looks like as of right here, we got some type of documentation that is the dealer record of Canon purchase. Okay, so I guess it's just for me to send it to. Oh, I have to turn this in for ownership. That's cool right there. Then we also got the manual. Sheesh. I mean, like the driver test from Missouri, man, and like, oh my god, no, this reminds me of the freaking the map test, yo, we used to have to go to school for. So, like I said, this is the EOS M5 by Canon. It's a beautiful camera. We also have the registration papers. So I most likely will be registering this. Register your Canon image product now. That's that. Okay. Just some colorful paperwork or whatever. Pick the box up for you guys. I know I should be doing it on a display table, but I don't have a table. I'm limited like crazy here, so. This is the camera. The camera, bro, my hand is bigger than this camera. We're gonna unbox that last. So inside the box, we got some accessories. Looks like this right here is gonna be the strap that we can place around, the camera. This way you want to put on your neck or however some people hold their stuff. Also in here, okay, cool. Looks like this is our lens. This right here is actually going to be this is a 15 by 45 millimeter lens, I believe so. It's whatever comes with the camera. Honestly, I didn't buy anything special because I was like, I'm not that into cameras like that to where I should be buying stuff, but Also, what comes up in here is, looks like it's a battery. Is this a dual battery pack? No, this is a very thick battery. Jesus please. So this is a battery pack for the Canon. So we're gonna definitely have to be charging this bad boy up real soon. And then I guess the last thing is up in here is actually the charger for the battery. So that's pretty cool. And that's it. So let's go to put the documents back up in there because we will be using that stuff later on. And let's put this in there too. So let's go ahead and reveal this thing. Oh. All right, cool. So here goes the Canon camera. Man, I'm so happy I got this. Oh, it's real nice and compact. That's what I will definitely say. So one thing I really love about this right here is that it actually has its own little thing that flips out and reverses. So it's perfect for vlogging. Like right now, if you can see, hello guys, I'm using my iPhone 12 Max Pro right now. So, and I can see myself because I'm using the front camera, which I wouldn't recommend to vlog. I would recommend using the back camera because I think it's better quality, but some people are like, it's the same quality. No, it's not. It's really not. It's whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and, like I said, here go the camera right here. Some cool things about this camera is that it definitely comes with a mini HDMI cable. So it comes with a mini HDMI cable. It also comes with a USB charging port as well on here. So, if you got to charge it up, or well, not charge it up, you most likely will hook it up to the computer, is what I'm saying, to, get the pictures off of it. Or you can just use an SD card, or it depends on whatever, whichever way you want to do it. Also, another thing about this right here, it also has a mini microphone jack on here, so that'll be definitely helpful. I can't pop it open. Okay. I couldn't pop it open at first, but yeah, there go them. I'll show you guys that. That's the microphone thing right there for us. There go the HDMI port and the little charger or whatever you want to call it. And then right here we have our battery pack. Whew, that thing's thick. There go the battery pack, and you know where the SD or micro SD card goes. So that's that right there. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all that comes on the camera that can be real helpful to me so far. So that's, you know, that's pretty cool. Oh, this camera is also wireless. I mean, Wi-Fi enabled. So that's a cool thing as well. I'm not for sure what that is used for. I'm definitely going to do some digging on that. But it says Wi-Fi Bluetooth. So I'm assuming that you may be able to hook this camera up with, let's say, I think that you can actually stream on YouTube from this computer. So I'll have to hook everything up and test that thing out right quick. So let's go ahead and pop this open, put the lens on. Let's get it. So here is the lens right here. So it's a 0.25 meter or millimeter. I guess it's meter, got an M on there, with the 0.8 feet sync or something like that. I don't know nothing about lenses. Somebody gonna have to comment below and be like, dude, this is what you're talking about, the wrong things. You need to go back to school for it. I ain't going to school for no lenses. Somebody better comment below for me. And you know, oh wait a minute, before we go ahead and continue, I done forgot, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for me. You know, you guys gotta do me that favor. You know, just subscribe to the channel, man. You know, like I said, we do gaming on the channel. Honestly, now we playing that GTA 5. Most likely gonna be doing some Call of Duty. I just haven't had the opportunity to get into Call of Duty. That's what I'm trying to say. I played Call of Duty Warfare on my PlayStation 4, but I gave it to my little sister. So it's like, I gotta restart. So, you know, it's whatever. But let's go ahead and get it. So this is a 15 through 45. It's probably backwards on here, but 15 through 45 millimeter image stabilizer. So that's pretty cool right there. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Ooh, this is real crisp. I'm actually liking that, man. All right, so let's go ahead and apply it to the thing real quick. Jeez, look at that, y'all. It looks so clean, man. Like, I'm really in love with this camera. Like, it's crazy. So we just gotta match them up right quick. Hopefully first time as a charm. Uh-oh, never mind. It's not working. Yo, it's like you're literally not working for me. What?
A few moments later.
Are you serious? There we go. We got it. All right, so here goes the full camera with everything on here. So what I'm going to do now, let me go ahead and set this bad boy up, and I'm going to put like a, I'm going to record off of this and also the phone and see which one do we like better. So we be right back. All right, you guys, so we back. I got my phone right here and I got the Canon right here. Yo, I took a picture and I'm like, bruh. So I think that the Canon is already good. I'm gonna look at the Canon for a little minute. I'm gonna look at y'all. No, I'm gonna go back to the Canon. I think that is both real good. I mean, I'm shaky with this one. My bad, because I'm holding it in my hand. I should have got my other dongle, but it's whatever. So I mean, so far, bro, the Canon, after just taking one picture, this is what a Canon looks like with me touching absolutely nothing. Same thing with the iPhone, the exposure, all that exposure. It's whatever. It's 4K resolution, 24 frames per second on here. I'm not for sure what the settings are on the Canon, but no, I think that it looks phenomenal. Like, I don't know. I never really think that it's like the camera. I think it's more like lightning. So this is what we got right here, man. Like I said, I'm digging it, man. It looks real good. All right, y'all, so that's all we got today. We're gonna go ahead and shut the Canon off right quick, even though I should just finish recording on it, but nah. We're gonna go ahead and finish that off. Peace with this Canon. We gotta go. We'll see you later. Alright guys, so yeah, like I said, man, that, I mean, yo, I think the Canon is straight phenomenal. Like, I think it's phenomenal already. I'm definitely gonna be playing around with some more, you know, features of the camera, just trying to get the correct lighting for me, white balance, and all the good stuff, man. But that's all we got today. Like I said, please do me a big favor, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below if you guys got any questions about the Canon M50. Let me know down below. If you guys got any thoughts for me, let me know as well. I'm open to any and everything. I gotta fix this right quick. Okay, yeah, so something about this is okay, we can just force it in there. All right, cool. So another thing I did figure out before we close it out, you have to touch this right here and you have to hold it up and twist it out like that. So that's probably gonna be like, you know, a little too much, but I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, the camera is phenomenal to me, and I'm pretty sure you guys seen it from, you know, what we just recorded. So like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and go ahead and, you know, comment down below questions, comments. I don't know what to say, but peace out. See you later.